We're coming into the boat park, the parking lot at Back Bay. Straighten it up, guys.
Chris, I'm helping.
We're trying to get there. David and Chris are having a little rough time here, but it's been a long day. 20 miles round trip, 7 hours. But we conquered Back Bay. We made it to Cedar Island. Oh, say, can you see?
When I beat you in flesh.
Here we go. There's where we're headed. Okay, guys, stop it, please. Stop. You're getting me wet back here. Stop. See what I gotta do all day long? Yell at these two punks, these two knuckleheads. But they did a good job. They did a good job. Okay, that's it. We made it. Until next time. Here we go. We're heading in. That's not it. Okay, we made it. Oh, I didn't know it was overgrown like that.
David, I am Christian.
Okay, here we go. We made it. Oh, dang, I didn't realize. Okay, here we go. We made it. Woo!